a culture that offers us a tremendous variety of different foods. Many are quite delicious. Now, if we go into a restaurant, we might order foods like, for example, first a soda, and then maybe a sirloin steak with French fries, maybe some bread, and at the end we might want to finish off with a very nice dessert like this very nice cheesecake here. Now, which one of these foods will actually help us lose weight or slim down? Which one of these foods will make us fatter? Now, for the purpose of losing weight, there are only two types of foods. There are the S-type foods, which means slimming foods, foods that will help us lose weight, and then there are the F-type foods or fattening foods, foods that will make you gain weight. Now, the S-type foods are foods like meats, including beef, chicken, pork, fish, seafood, cheese, eggs, salads, vegetables, nuts, and almonds. And the type F foods or fattening foods are foods like bread, pasta, flour, potatoes, rice, cereals, milk, sugar, candies, sweets, fruit juices, and sodas. That's why I have designed for you the easiest diet you could ever do. It's called the 2-for-1 diet system. In the 2-for-1 diet system, all that you have to be aware of is that you're going to have 2 portions of the foods that are S foods or slimming foods, and only 1 portion of the fattening foods or the F foods. For example, let's take these pork chops, salad, and French fries. The pork chops and the salad are part of the S foods or the slimming foods, and the French fries are the ones that will make you fat. They are the F foods. Or, for example, you take this chicken breast and salad with mashed potatoes. The chicken breast and the salad are part of the S foods or the slimming foods, and the mashed potatoes are part of the F foods or fattening foods. Here you have 2 for 1. Or you might have this salmon with vegetables and pasta. The salmon and the vegetables are part of the S foods or the slimming foods. The pasta is the one that will make you fat. But here you see the proportion is 2 for 1. You might have a sirloin with shrimp and salad. These 2 are S foods or slimming foods, foods that will actually help you lose weight. In order to combine these, you can have something like mashed potatoes. This is an F food. It's a food that will make you fatter. But then you can have 1/3 of the total, which is 2 slimming foods and 1 F food. This is a very valid 2 for 1. Or you might decide to have some bread. In that case, you will have 2 slimming foods and 1 fattening food, which is the bread. Here you can enjoy everything, but then controlling that 1/3 of it is the fattening food. Or you might decide to have some dessert. In that case, you have the 2 slimming foods and you leave that space for the dessert. Now, if you do that, you cannot have a soda because that would break the proportion. You can have your food with some water. Or if you want to have some soda, then you leave the water out and you're going to use the fattening food, the soda. That way you have 2 slimming foods and 1 fattening food, which is the soda. Any way you do it, if you keep the proportion of 2 for 1, you will find that you can eat everything you want, enjoy all the foods you like, and still lose all the pounds you want to lose. So, if you follow the 2 for 1 diet system, you will be able to enjoy and have all the foods you like and still lose all the pounds you want. Bon appetit!